Incorporated. I'm here at the Minnesota State Fair with all these beautiful tractors. Today's tractor spotlight is this 1952 Minneapolis-Moline Avery V. And I'm going to show you how to start it. So the first thing we're going to do to start this tractor is turn on the gas. Next, we're going to make sure that it's out of gear. Now we're going to turn this switch 1 or 2 times, doesn't really matter. And then the B.F. Avery Company began production of the Model V tractor in 1946. These tractors were painted red. When Minneapolis-Moline acquired B.F. Avery in 1951, the company continued to produce about 1,000 more Model V tractors. However, these tractors were painted the traditional Minneapolis-Moline Prairie Gold. Dennis Vignieri purchased this particular tractor at the 2022 Mecum Farmin Fall Premier Auction in Moline, Illinois. He noticed several flaws in the tractor, including the fact that the grille was a different shade than the rest of the sheet metal. Dennis had already worked with Lee J. Sackett Incorporated on several projects, so he had Lee haul it directly from the auction to Lee's shop in Minnesota to make the repairs. Many leaks were repaired. The shifter was rebuilt, the gas tank was cleaned, repaired, and lined. A new wiring harness was installed, and the exhaust system was ceramic coated.